Hello, 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 and welcome to my live. Welcome to the replay. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Happy Friday. It is Wine Friday. So cheers, everybody. Cheers. So today we are camping, and because of that, I had to pre-record. So this is a fake live. I'm sorry. It's okay though. We got a really cute project, and it is using our transfer of the month, which is our chalk transfer from our Chalk Couture kit. So every single month, if you're one of our members of our chalk club, and if you aren't, you can easily type club in the comments to grab that. So our chalk club, you get a project kit every single month. It is $19.99, and you get 3 chalk paste colors plus the transfer. This transfer has 7 different pieces to it. I'm going to show you one project today, and I'm going to show you 2 more projects next week. So that's going to be awesome. So today we're going to use our Sylvie board. Now, our Sylvie board is this beautifully framed reusable boutique surface, so it's totally washable, and the frame is nice and thick. There are hangers on the back here and here, so if you want to hang this, these are only $19.99, you guys, only $19.99, and they're super washable, reusable. So I'm going to show you how to do something fun with them today. I will go ahead and show you now. Yesterday, we did a really cool Father's Day gift kit. If you were not here, it's so inexpensive, really easy to do. You can do it, a child can do it, you can help, you know, whatever. As soon as you purchase that kit, we'll get it shipped out ASAP so that you can have it in time to do it for Father's Day. All you have to do is type dad into the comments, and when you type dad, that will show up on your Facebook Messenger inbox. It'll ask you if you want to see the bundle. You say yes, you click yes, and then it will show you the image and the price and everything. So really, really, really cool. That is still available through the weekend. Okay, so let's look at this. So I have just our regular 9x12 board, and I do have to cut these pieces. This is going to be very simple and cute. Definitely make sure you tune in next week, because I'm going to show you some really cool techniques that I have not showed you before, and it's using these transfers. So I'm going to label this. If you have never used our Sylvie board, you would love it. It does come in many different sizes. So this is our 9x12, but we even have this in the 12x18, the 18 by 18, and we even have one with a white surface and a black frame. So these are really cool boards, and they look high end because of that nice thick wooden frame, but they don't cost high end. All right, so I'm just putting this transfer down here. I'm going to grab my bright white chalk paste and my small squeegee, and I'm just going to squeegee the whole thing. There is something to be said for just white chalk paste going on a black board. I love it. Honestly, it's very classic and clean. I love it. So I'm going to put all my extra chalk back into the container. I'm just going to be real careful not to go off that board and make a little smudge. So now we're gonna peel and reveal. Oh, so perfect every single time. All right, so I need to clean this real quick. Over here in my wash bucket. Use my board eraser like usual. Take that chalk right off. Sorry, that's okay. And we are packaging up your kits as we speak. That's what you're hearing in the background. All those Father's Day kits are shipping out. Okay, so we want to dry this so that we don't do anything. So it is a really cute saying, a beautiful thing is never perfect, right? So I'm gonna leave this the way it is, one and done, like so easy, anyone can do it, a kid can do it, any beginners can do this. If you end up loving this club transfer, you can get that when you sign up today. So every time we have the club transfer for the month, so this is the June transfer, you get that all throughout the month. And then next month you're going to get a brand new one, a totally different one, super trendy, cute kit. So here we go. We're going to be done with this. And you know I need to embellish, right? All right, so here we go. I have some really adorable polka dot ribbon, and we're gonna do a little thing right here, and I'm gonna grab some of this white. I have some really pretty white ribbon that is like crocheted or knitted. I don't even know what we can call it, but we're just gonna kind of put that in here, make it tight. So it's gonna be very simple. We have our polka dotted ribbon, our white crocheted ribbon. I'm gonna trim this side down a little bit. There we go. And that's literally all we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Hey, if you're new, just catching me for the first time, I would love it if you would type add me in the comments, and then I will go ahead and put you into, or I'll give you the link to my group, my crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information for sure. And then, of course, as always, type team in the comments if you have any questions about becoming a designer, or if you would like to check out a video that I have. Okay, you guys. And don't forget, this is our club transfer. Type club to grab the information for that. Here it is. Super cute. Very easy, simple, but gorgeous on this Sylvie board. I gotta hold it straight so you guys can see. Totally cool. Isn't that cool? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. When I hold it here, it looks a little funky because of the angles of the words, but when I look at it, I'm like, no, it's perfect. I don't know why looking at it in my camera is just weird. So super cute and easy. You can change this out every month, every couple months, however often you want to change your decor. You can slide this bow off. You can reuse it, you can wash this off and do something totally different and change up your decor whenever you want. And all of our transfers are reusable, so that's why I washed it. And you can use it again or create other things with it. Like next week, make sure you join me on Tuesday and Wednesday so that you can see the other techniques that I'm going to teach you using that transfer. All right, you guys, have an amazing day. Hold on. I just need a couple more sips. Have an amazing day. It's Friday. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Got a new kit I've already started putting together. It's going to be adorable. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye. I can't remember how to turn this.